You have made characters, the animated characters doing yoga for voiceless videos.
Yeah.
So for anybody who wants to do something not really similar just in yoga, in any field for that matter, they're teaching something, it's tutorials, and they want to make these characters and all that. How difficult is it? As a layman, though I've worked with videos and stuff, I've never worked with these kind of characters and things like that. So you said you have hired an illustrator and something like that, but how difficult it is to execute that, to create all of them, to make them move, and to actually make a whole video out of it, how difficult, and to do it constantly, regularly. I just want to understand, what does it take?
If my wife sees this, she's gonna be like, who are you to answer this?
I see.
Okay, so first of all, it's her brainchild, right? Like I said before, the thing that was there, I was just kind of an enabler, or like a punching bag to jam ideas with, right? And I kind of took a, so to say, a backseat because I wanted to grow my other avenues that were there. But from a bird's eye view, when you look at it, there is a person who's creating content and continuously putting blood, sweat, effort through and through, visualizing how it's going to be. Of course, referencing from other people, their work, and putting in your creative thoughts. And then you have a team. You have a illustrator. Before, we didn't have an illustrator, so we used to get things from either Canva, or if not, we had a Yoga Guppy flashcards. Okay, so for these flashcards, these are like, it's like a book, but these are cards, big A5 size cards, so that people can look at these cards and practice yoga with parents, like, right, so it's a kids and it's a parent toddler activity, kids and parents activity book. So, which was great, and we had the illustrations for those, and these are all Indian art-based illustrations. And we found a gap, okay, these flashcards are not existing anywhere, which have the Indian-ness to it, right? Like, there are people like from the West, doing flashcards in yoga. So we thought this is something which is required. We had the illustrations for that, so we used those illustrations for a while. And then we ran out of our assets because we wanted to create more, right? And that's where we hired an illustrator. But the process is, there's a concept, the illustrator illustrates those assets. Those assets, according to what is going to be animated, the illustrator has to illustrate it. Then it goes to the animator will animate it, send a first draft to Rashmi. She'll correct the corrections that are there, give the titles and everything, and then it'll go back to the animator. Then they'll send a second draft, third draft, final video. Then there'll be music on it. Then it'll go up to the social media team, which will schedule it, or she'll schedule it. So that is the journey of animated content. Now,